Hello, welcome back to the Purdue ID channel. In this video, we will show you how to make sure that every time a visitor clicks the WhatsApp button on your website, they are redirected directly to the WhatsApp application, instead of going through WhatsApp web in the browser. This method is called a deep link. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Purdue's channel, click the like button below, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Let's start from your Purdue website dashboard. First, I will create a button section that will direct visitors to our WhatsApp number. You can create this section on the homepage or on a custom page. Here, I already have a landing page prepared with several sections inside it. For the WhatsApp Deep Link feature, you can actually use it in any section that directs visitors to WhatsApp. But for this tutorial, I will use a Contact Us button section that I created earlier. Edit this button section. For the target, select WhatsApp and then enter your WhatsApp number. I will enter my number here as an example. Now, look at the bottom section here. You will see the Deep Link option. At first, do not enable this option yet so we can see the difference. Click Done, then Done, and Save. Now, preview the page. When we click the button we just created, we are redirected to the WhatsApp API page first, and the WhatsApp application will only open when you click it. This is how it works without Deep Link. Now, let's go back to the page editor. Edit the button section again, and enable the Deep Link feature by checking this option. Click Done, Done, and Save. Go back to the Landing Page tab and refresh the page. Now, click the WhatsApp button again. As soon as the button is clicked, the system will directly open the WhatsApp application, so visitors can immediately chat with the admin without being redirected through the WhatsApp API page first. This feature is very useful, especially when your website visitors are using a mobile phone. They don't need to go through the WhatsApp API page anymore and can go straight to the WhatsApp app on their device. By reducing one step in the process from your website to WhatsApp, this feature can make the flow more efficient and help increase your conversion rate. However, it is not supported by all browsers, especially older browsers and operating systems, such as Windows XP or Windows 7. So if the Deep Link feature is enabled, but the visitor's browser does not support it, clicking the button may result in no action at all. Once again, this Deep Link feature can be used in other sections that direct visitors to WhatsApp, such as buttons, floating buttons, checkout sections, forms, and more. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to Purdue for more website tutorials like this. Follow Purdue on social media, and see you in the next video.